I do my homework every evening. I do my job carefully. I do the dishes after dinner. I do my best at work. I do exercise in the morning. I do the laundry on weekends. I do my tasks on time. I do yoga every day. I do my work quickly. I do my duties seriously. I do my hair before work. I do the shopping on Saturday. I do housework every day. I do my project at night. I do my routine every morning. I do a lot of reading. I do some cleaning today. I do my chores after school. I do my job with passion. I do my practice every day. I do the cooking at home. I do my training in the gym. I do my tasks first. I do everything step by step. I do my work from home. I do my activities daily. I do many things at work. I do my routine before breakfast. I do my exercises slowly. I do my practice in the evening. I do the cleaning every Sunday. I do my projects carefully. I do my preparation early. I do my tasks before lunch. I do the planning for my week. I do my work on the computer. I do my daily routine. I do my research online. I do my activities regularly. I do my lessons every day. I do my best to improve. I do my job responsibly. I do everything on time. I do my work at the office. I do my routine every night. I do the cooking for my family. I do my projects with care. I do my work with focus. I do my routine before work. I do my exercises after work. I do the dishes every evening. I do my tasks quickly. I do my practice daily. I do everything step by step. I do the preparation for meetings. I do my best every day. I do my job with energy. I do the cleaning in the morning. I do my activities at home. I do my training regularly. I do my homework after school. I do my tasks before dinner. I do the planning every week. I do my research before writing. I do my work carefully. I do my preparation before exams. I do the shopping in the evening. I do my activities on weekends. I do my routine every day. I do my projects at work. I do my tasks in the morning. I do the cleaning after work. I do my lessons online. I do my exercises at home. I do the preparation for tomorrow. I do my tasks step by step. I do my job with dedication. I do my routine before sleep. I do my activities in the afternoon. I do my training every week. I do the work that I love. I do my routine without stress. I do my tasks with focus. I do my activities every morning. I do my practice every evening. I do my preparation carefully. I do my best in everything. I do my work with confidence. I do my tasks responsibly. I do my routine regularly. I do the planning for my goals. I do my activities with enthusiasm. I do my exercises daily. I do my preparation every night. I do my work with discipline. I do my tasks before relaxing. I do the preparation for the day. I do my best to learn English. I do my practice every morning. I do everything I can to improve.